Welcome to China Greg's Motorcycle Adventure. But today, we're not in China anymore. We are on Greg's bucket list adventures down in Australia, today in Tasmania. And we are doing the trip of my lifetime, traveling around Australia on a little CB300R. So, I want to invite you to come along with me. I'm showing you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Made a lot of mistakes getting here. Those are in the early episodes. Having a ball. It is freezing cold, but it is gorgeous.
Last episode, I showed you the bike, a little Honda CB300R, and why I'm using it. But now, we finally get this adventure started. Let's look at the route. Beginning in Sydney, I'm going through the Royal National Forest and then on down the coast to Lake Wallaga Big4 Campgrounds, 243 miles or 391 kilometers. It was a very long first day. So far, the little CBR is fine. The big thing is the lack of a windscreen. The wind is cold. I'll talk more about the bike along the way, but now let's get to the fun part.
We're at the Royal National Park, Oxford Lookout. And we came here for exactly this. Today. This is today's journey. We're going to go drive down that highway. And it's going to be great. Okay, let's get out of here.